Hi friends, strangers, internet. My name is EmilyHanhan. I love colorful makeup and colorful language. And I am here with a first impression playtime video featuring the Adept Cosmetics Plain Jane palette. If you have not seen this palette, this is a 12 pan all shimmer palette. Now, before we jump into the playtime, the eyeshadow, if you enjoy lots of opinions, colorful makeup, and cute fat babes, you should just go ahead and subscribe. Follow along. Find me on Instagram and Twitter at Nomnivorous. All those lovely things. Consider it a birthday gift, perhaps, because when you're watching this, it's right around my birthday. Also, the reason why I'm thinking my birthday is because this palette was a gift from the lovely, beautiful community known as Legutta Gang. They sent me the Plain Jane palette as a present. Actually, it's a funny story. The day it launched, I'm on the Adept Cosmetics mailing list. I saw it, that it was like announced. It's like a Sunday morning, and I was just like, I'm grabbing it. I'm getting it. Because I have played with the Adept Cosmetics shadows in the past, and their diamond formula, which this palette is entirely their diamond single shadows. It's a really interesting putty-like dimensional glittery multi-chromatic formula. And so when I saw this, I was like, oh no, that's gotta be mine. And then, you know, me being a person of the internet, I posted it on the Discord that we have for Legutta Gang that I picked it up. And then I got a DM from the amazingly beautiful Toya, who was like, hey, you're gonna get 2 of those palettes. And I was like, oh, I'm sorry. I jumped the gun on birthday presents. So Adept was really kind and canceled the order for me, which they did not have to do, but they did. And this palette is just, first impressions, it's stunning. So just like so many brands that I've talked about, this palette has the exciting added feature that it is a magnetic palette in a palette. So all of the shadows are labeled. They come right out, but they also feel stable in there. So this is both like a gorgeous bejeweled eyeshadow palette, but it's also 12 single shadows that you can take apart and then also use this palette for other Adept or square pan singles. The Adept, Menagerie, Lethal, all of those shadows tend to be interchangeably, you know, able to fit in these pans. So I have this palette. I've already swatched it. My heart was racing, definitely racing, and I just want to play with it today. I know that all shimmer looks are not everyone's cup of tea, but I love them, and I want to see how this formula can kind of work. So I have a feeling we're gonna do 2 totally different eyes because I can't get enough of like over the top makeup. Yeah, I'm just gonna start playing with this. This palette is just something else. So when I'm doing these all shimmer eyes, what I'll do is usually pack on the glitter glue on the lid, and then I just like tap it up and out so that it's not as sticky and clingy up here as it is on the lid, which is oftentimes how you can get these shimmer shadows to like buff out and still be textural, and maybe a little too textural for some people, but not be perhaps straight glitter on the eyes. But I have no idea how it's going to work with these shadows. So I do have some of my other eyeshadows on standby if I feel like I want to add in some dimension with mattes, but I kind of just want to play in all shimmers. I'm going right in with ACI 12, which is the hot pink. This was one of the first colors that I like swatched into, and oh baby. So this iridescent formula is new for Adept, and I can see how it has some translucency to it, which can be really nice if you want to apply them over matte shadows, or like, you know, as a topper kind of thing. I think if you want like a solid bang of color, the sheerness might not be your favorite, but I'm not minding it already. I'm putting ACI 11 on the outer like half of this eye. When it comes to like buffing, I like a brush kind of this shape, so I'm switching out. I'm gonna grab, I'll use the same two colors. Actually, maybe not. Actually, I'm gonna try ACI 4. ACI 6 up in the top part, kind of brow bone area. We're just playing, if I'm being honest. But my first kind of impressions are that, so these tend to feel like they have less of a base to them than perhaps something like a Galaxy shadow, where I feel like the Galaxy shadows, you can kind of do this technique and you still have like something there to buff out. I feel like with these, I'm not having as much there to like buff out. It's more just like pure glitter and texture, which is not a bad thing. Putting on a little bit more glitter glue right up here and on the inner corner, because I want to take ACI 10, this like white to pink, and use it on that inner corner and buffed up. Oh yeah, that definitely flashes very pink. Okay. I mean, it's fun. I'm not too upset about it. Okay. I think I want to do like an inverse eye thing. That is ACI 8, and then the green, ACI 9. Okay, so to quickly run through on this eye, I have ACI 10 on the inner corner and buffed up, ACI 12 and 11 on the lid, 11 buffed out to ACI 6 with a little bit of ACI 4 here, and then 9 and 8 on the lower lash line. And then on this side we will just play with other colors. Oh, that green. Oh, wow. Ooh. Oh my word. And also ACI 8. The blue, purple, brown situation. Wow. I feel like that blue brown did blend out a little bit more. It has a little bit more something something there. I'm gonna throw a little bit of ACI 2 on. It's probably gonna stick out like a sore thumb, but that's okay. Oh no, actually, that's pretty awesome. Okay, ACI 7 is the one that when I swatched it, I was like, I mean, I was amazed by all of them, but ACI 7 is this intense peach to green shift. And I feel like I'm not letting it have its moment to shine on this eye. Oh, these are really nice formulas. I quoted Nate recently, but when they said that this is what Stone Vibes wishes it could be from Urban Decay, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, y'all, I'm having a moment. I'm living my best, like, rainbow glitter life. I know that these are two very, very different eyes right now in terms of a lot of things, but let me just like put on some kind of eyeliner and mascara and then I'll be back. So we put on some black eyeliner. I kind of accidentally put it on the top lash line, so I did some wing and smudge situation and layered some of the shadow on top. And then I just changed up the lip because I felt like for the warm cheek it matched a little more. So anyway, okay, so now that you can see like me in a little bit of my full extra glory, Plain Jane by Adept. I'm gonna stand by, I think I said this earlier in the video, I might have edited it out if I did. I'm repeating it now. I think there is some variation in how these iridescent formulas perform. Similar to the diamond formula, how some of the diamond shadows are more putty-like and kind of struggle to be picked up on a brush, and others are less putty-like and pick up a little easier. I feel like some of these are more, they have more of a base to them, and others are more of an iridescent or sheer base with just the texture and glitter and shine. But here's the thing, this is a gift. This was a gift to me, which is like the most lovely thing. But I was gonna buy it anyway, and did buy it anyway. And I am happy with it as both a gift and a purchase. And I'm excited to play with layering these under and over mattes and other shimmers. There are things about these shadows that remind me of some of the Galaxy shadows from JD Glow, some of the textured shadows from Kaleidos, probably even some of the like glitter multi-chromes from Cleona, some of the textured shadows from Divina. Like, there is some reminiscent kind of feeling to these, but you know, I still have more exploring to do, but I'm happy with it. And I think that if you again are interested in textured shadows and these colors in particular call out to you, I do think this is kind of sort of worth it. And I would not, if you're open to pre-order, I would not be against pre-ordering it. But if you want to hear more thoughts, if you would like to see like a follow-up review from me that's a little bit more in depth, let me know, because I know with pre-order that means you have time to decide and figure it out. Right now though, there is some strong heart, eye, lust, love feelings happening between me and Plain Jane. If you enjoyed this video, this eyeshadow playtime, and you want to subscribe, I would love to have you join the fam. I have a lot coming in December, and I'm excited to share it with you all, and I would love to have you along for the ride. Why can I not? I cannot remember my outro, and I just filmed another video, so what? Thank you for spending a bit of your day with me. Thank you for spending a bit of your day with me. Hopefully I will see you again real soon. Please stay safe, wear a mask, don't go out for the holidays, please, for the love of everyone's safety, including your own. And hopefully I will see you again real soon. Bye, friends.